What is higher? The Statue of Liberty or Big Ben? Hello, my name is Veronica and today is Sunday, the 3rd of November. What is higher? The Statue of Liberty or Big Ben? The Statue of Liberty is 93 meters. Is Big Ben higher or shorter? Big Ben is 96 meters. Big Ben is higher than the Statue of Liberty. What is higher? The Mount Fuji or Mont Blanc? The Mount Fuji is 3,676 meters. Is Mont Blanc higher or shorter? Mont Blanc is 4,810 meters. It is much higher than the Mount Fuji. What is higher? The tallest tree in the world or the Colosseum? The tallest tree in the world is Hyperion and it grows in red costwood in the USA, California. And it is 115 meters. Is it taller or shorter than the Colosseum? The Colosseum is 48 meters. The tallest tree in the world is much bigger. What is higher? The highest roller coaster in the world or the highest cruise liner in the world? You can ride the highest roller coaster in the USA, New Jersey, in the King Da amusement park, and the highest roller coaster in the world is 139 meters. Is the tallest cruise liner in the world higher or shorter? The tallest cruise liner in the world is called the Harmony of the Seas. It is 72 meters. It is much shorter than the highest roller coaster in the world. How many correct answers do you have? Share in the comments below.